It's a Friday fact. Friday. It's a Friday fact, yeah.
I've been waiting all week for this.
A new fact every Friday. It's a Friday fact.
Logic apps do not provide a native way to detect which specific iteration inside a for each has failed. There's no built-in index tracker for failures, and using counters can quickly become messy. So, to solve this, we built a pattern that logs every failed iteration cleanly using only native Logic apps features, and with a simple design. To better understand it, let's break it down. We begin our request-response workflow with a variable that will be responsible to catch our failed iterations. Then let's say that we receive an array like this. Instead of looping directly over the array, we use the expression. This gives us full control over the iteration index, 0, 1, 2, etc. Then all we need to do is to force the failure. And to do that, we create a scope try and inside a compose with the expression. This divides the current item value by 100. And if the value is 0, it throws a division by 0 error, which is exactly what we want to simulate failure scenarios. Then we add a scope catch that will only be triggered if the previous scope fails, and inside scope catch, we log the failure in an append to array variable using the expressions. But how does this work? Items, for each, returns the current index of the iteration inside the for each loop. For example, 0, 1, 2. Add 1. Adds 1 to the index since iterations on a for each start on 1 and not on 0. String simply converts the number into a string to return it properly in the JSON response. We also use the expression to retrieve the exact error message from the failed iteration. Then at the end of the workflow, we add a response action with the append to array variable content as a response. The result of this solution perfectly logs which iterations failed without the need to use a counter to perform it. Hope you have enjoyed this Friday fact, and we will see you in the next one.